Power Query is Excel's built-in tool for connecting to data sources, cleaning the data, and loading it into your workbook. Once you set it up, you can refresh the whole pipeline with one click, no more redoing the same cleaning steps every month. Importing CSVs, Excel files, databases, or web data on a schedule. Cleaning messy exports. Renaming columns. Splitting fields. Removing rows. Combining several files into one, for example, monthly sales files into a single table. Anything you'd otherwise do by hand every reporting cycle. Data get and transform data, Excel 2016 plus. On the Mac and in Excel 365, the experience is the same. Connectors, an editor, and a refresh button. Get data from file from text, CSV, or Excel SQL web folder. Pick the file Excel opens, the Power Query editor. Apply transformations. Promote first row as headers. Change column types, date, number, text. Split columns, replace values, remove duplicates. Filter rows, group, pivot, unpivot. Each click adds an entry to applied steps on the right. Click Close and Load, choose to load to a table or as a connection only. Every transformation is recorded as a step. When you refresh, Excel reapplies the exact same steps to the new data. You can click any step to see the data at that point. Reorder, edit, or delete steps. Rename steps so they read like documentation. Get data from file from folder points Power Query at a folder. Drop in a new monthly file and the next refresh picks it up automatically, no formula changes. Single query. Right-click the table refresh. All queries. Data refresh all. Schedule refresh in data queries and connections properties. Auto refresh on open every n minutes, etc. Use Power Query when data comes from outside the workbook. The cleaning logic is repeated each cycle. The data set is too big for formulas to stay responsive. Use formulas when the calculation is simple and lives inside one sheet. You need live cell-level interactivity. Import a CSV of sales data. Data get data from text. CSV pick the file. In the Power Query editor, promote headers, set the date column to date, the revenue column to decimal, and filter out blank rows. Close and load to table. Replace the source CSV with a fresh version, then data refresh. All your table updates with no manual rework.